in this video, I will show you how to transfer Worldcoin to PDAX step by step. So make sure to watch until the end because entering the correct address and network is very important. Let's get started. First, you need to open PDAX app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to go to wallet section and search for Worldcoin and tap on deposit. PDAX will now generate a deposit address for your account. This address is extremely important because it's where your Worldcoin will be sent. So carefully copy the address and make sure you don't change or edit anything. Now you need to open the World app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the wallet icon to open your wallet. And here you will see your available Worldcoin balance along with options to manage your funds. Now next to the send button, tap on the three dots to open your more options, and from the main menu choose withdraw. When prompted, select Worldcoin as the token and choose crypto as the withdrawal method. Now paste the PDX deposit address you copied earlier into the address field, and before continuing, double check the address matches exactly. No characters are missing or changed, and even a single incorrect character can result in lost funds, so take your time here. After confirming the address, enter the amount of Worldcoin you want to transfer, and once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction and follow the on-screen instructions. The transfer may take few minutes to process depending on network activity. After confirmation, your Worldcoin will appear in your PDX wallet once the transaction is completed. And that's how you transfer Worldcoin to PDX safely. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.